TS4. Right now we have a camera in here. There where I could get into it here. Oof. Right now the van doesn't have any cameras either built in or on it otherwise. So I decided to get one for it because the road is pretty sketchy for a while now, so it's time to enhance it a little bit. So this is the AKEEYO eyes here, bionic AI dashcam, and they call it the eyes because it have two cameras facing out there, as you can see, facing the road. Before we get into here, let me go around the box there. Sony Starvis 2 there, sensors inside, 2K wide angle camera, 2K long focus camera, and 2K rear camera as well. So we must want to see what's going on the back as well. And this is all the information for them here. Most likely I'll have to order a hardwire kit for it. I didn't order the hardwire kit for it yet, so we'll just be using the USB for now, but maybe in a few weeks I'll buy the hardwire kit for it so that it could work without the car being start up, and that's what we really want here. So this one, looking at the rear camera here, RC-01 rear camera, there would look the logo on it. So this one is 2K as well. Let me see if we could get into it and see how he looks. One box, two boxes here, and out with it. So you could see here there's some wires and stuff there on it, and it had the USB as well. What else wires are there, but check it out when we see the manual. Two-way tape to stick it on your back glass. Can also move according to the shape of your glass, angle of your glass, according to how it is. Protective lens. Camera is very smooth on it. Yeah, short USB cords, most likely have a little extension to create about, it to move about for the distance. And this is it here. So this one is for the camera itself. USB-C, male to female there. You just insert it like that, and this part will jack straight into the camera after you run it either in the ground or the roof, wherever you prefer. I don't know if that could work outside the vehicle itself. Maybe, maybe not. I didn't check out to see if it had a feature, so maybe I could put it on the outside of the vehicle. I need to check on the manual to see if they say anything like that. Let me see, I ain't see no waterproof thing on it here. So I'll show you is 3999 there. Like the touchscreen size, iOS, ADAS, driving assistant there. The same thing as they say before on the outside. Nice thick manual, so most likely we got multiple language inside here. Thank you very much for purchasing. All the things to scan, so you could get everything there, and this will tell you everything you need to know about the camera here inside here. And again, the folder run down right here. There's some sticky paper here. This is you could put on your windscreen and you could stick the camera on it, so it's easy to pull off when you're ready to pull off the camera. If you don't want to stick it direct on your windshield, you could stick that on your windshield first and then stick the camera on that, and if you need to move it or peel it off, it would be on your screen tight. You just pull the little tab and it'll be able to slip off very easy. So yeah, what else we have here in this thing here? So this is for the USB. So I still have an extra one just in case you need one, so it wouldn't take up the both of them, just in case you had one there before. And you unplug this in, you will still have a port 3. Same cord there, USB going to this, C going to the camera itself, and have a shorter one here. So it's according to how you're working it. Maybe you might need all that length and you're putting it low down somewhere. Sometimes some people just have ports up on top. Maybe you could put that there. This looks like the mount fit. So you could stick this mount onto this plastic part when it done stick down onto the windshield. Because in case you want to move it or take it off from the vehicle, you just have to slide it across on that. To put it on and to put it off. And let me see what's going on with this. Oh, this tape stick down pretty tight there, and this is it as well here. Make it stick down. So this is the port for it in the back there. Screen. This is the eyes in the front here. So to be watching everything. Let's see if I could have a button to the side here. Recording button. Anything down below. Like a memory card area there. Does it have any memory card? No. Look like a memory card area down there. Have a next port there, because one will be for the back and one will be for the power. So power and for the back. Let's see, so I could adjust this to suit according to the screen. Like it has some speakers and stuff there. Look like it's has some venting or something there. It look like to help with heating and stuff there. Look like it have a card inside here. Yeah, look like it have a card in there. But nails can reach down inside of that hole. Yeah, I'm looking for the slide part for this. It's supposed to have something to angle for this here. Maybe it just oh, this looking like it there. It's so close to this one is why I'm making it out, but look like it's just a thing at our side. I don't know if I could move it here now. It can be kind of tight. I don't hear it move there. Right. So this one, and you could also use this one if you want it. Maybe a little longer or a little bit more angle or something like that, because this one have a more angle in it and this one more flat. So if you need more angle, you could use this. If you want to keep it a little higher and higher up on the glass because you add tint or something and you want it a little lower, maybe you could use that there. Yeah, I don't think that have much more here on it. We take apart everything for now. Let's see. So the short wire that we see was for PC data transfer, and the long one is for rear mount, body mount, cables, cameras, and stickers. So show me it have a wide angle lens there, telephoto lens there, and a power button and function button is what we saw just now there. Showing you where the LED light is, USB-C ports, display, memory card. Yeah, so it is a memory card slot there. reset button. So it have a reset button to the bottom right there. And going into full detail. This is the hardwire kit I'm talking about. This will be hooking up directly to the vehicle. So you'll get constant power on the camera. When you're having this, is only when you turn the key. Is when it does power on, send power to this, to the cigarette lighter port. But this will be directly onto battery power once you hook it up the correct way. So eventually I will order down one of that. Alright, and I'll show you the full rundown there. Yeah, so we don't have to go into all this detail there. So camera will be up and running soon. TS4 out.